was enough of a hint, but today I am gonna go see the elephants. I'm doing a half-day tour with Elephant Nature Park. Anyway, I'm just waiting for the rest of my group. Got up before the sunrise, took a motorbike to get here. My hair is absolutely atrocious after that motorbike ride. And then I also looked in the mirror and realized that my mineral reef safe sunscreen that I bought a while ago in Hawaii makes my face turn white because it doesn't rub in very easily. So I'm going local today. Let's go play with some elephants, or at least see them. I'm not gonna touch them.
Our guide was explaining a bit about the history of Elephant Nature Park that we were going to. It was started by a Thai lady named Lek. After witnessing the mistreatment and suffering of many elephants in the tourism industry, she began providing medical aid to elephants in remote villages. Then in the 90s, Lek started rescuing injured, neglected, and elderly elephants and established Elephant Nature Park in northern Thailand in 2003 as a permanent home and sanctuary for them.
Halfway through our drive to the Elephant Nature Park, and we stopped at this little rest area, and our guide urged us to use the restroom here just in case. Actually, it was a pretty nice bathroom, except they don't have toilet paper, so she had a roll of paper towels. She had us take a big sheet of paper towel with us, which was great. It was needed, but yeah, we're gonna hang out here for the next 10 minutes or so just to stretch our legs, which is nice because it's pretty tight in the van. And I got a couple of waffles. They were 10 baht each. I had one of these at one of the night markets and really liked it. It's kind of like the Belgian Liege waffles where they're fat and they have stuff in them. Yeah, it seems like a pretty good group. I'm sitting with a couple of cute British ladies. I met another solo British female traveler, and then I think I heard German, so I might be the only American, which is always kind of fun to be surrounded by other cultures. Our guide was also telling us that since COVID, they've changed the policies in the Elephant Nature Park because for 3 years or so they didn't have tourists come through, and so they've stopped having tourists feeding the elephants, which is nice, how it should be, so the elephants are a little bit more wild but still protected, and it's gonna be really exciting to see. I've been looking forward to this for a really long time, and this is something that you just, I don't know, equate with northern Thailand, so it's really fun to actually be doing this. So good. It's a cheap, quick snack next to a fake waterfall. Park, and we are going to go on about an hour-and-a-half walk and then come back and have lunch, and our table is right next to where the elephants are going to be.
I just wanted to jump in here real quick and explain why you should never ride an elephant, nor support companies that provide that service.
Yeah, sexy lady.
In order to make elephants ready for humans to ride, they have to be easy to control. They go through a process that breaks their spirit, where they are taken from their mothers and trained using physical restraints, pain, and withholding food and water. They're chained up when they're not working, they're isolated, which harms their mental health, and their spines aren't made to support the weight of humans and harnesses all day, which leads to permanent spinal damage.
Funny story time. Our guide was like, uh-oh, food truck. So we got to come inside this little enclosure to protect us. She said they're kind of like, you know, puppies. They run and then they'll just start eating and push over whoever's in their way. And so for safety, we're behind this cement barricade, and it's pretty special. It's pretty fun to listen to the sounds of them eating. It's kind of like being in real life Avatar. This has to be where they got the inspiration for like the location. There's trees everywhere. It's a little hazy, a little cloudy, thank goodness.
You can see detail of them. You observe the inside of because I observe sometimes the guests don't want to bury the people burying them because every day for protection. Let them enjoy her life. She knows how to travel.
It's pretty special. Telling us how this whole area used to be green and full of grass, and now because of a flood a few months ago, it's all hard packed dirt and mud. This is where they prepare food for like all the elephants. Some of them are on special diets because some of the elephants are so old they don't have teeth, and so they can't eat the normal diet of like watermelon and sugarcane and bamboo. And so they make these like protein rice balls. But they are saying that the reason that they have this kitchen and that it's so important is because they have to make like 3 tons of food a day to feed these elephants, and it's massive. It's a massive undertaking, but they love them, and it's so sweet to see. And you can tell that they do care about them. This is a special place.